I'm Michelle Yoho, the principal of Stewart Elementary. Tonight is our STEAM night, where we have science, technology, engineering, math, and art. So we have projects throughout the building. We have amazing vendors that have come to help us out and show off all the incredible things you can do with all the STEAM adventures.
This is my egg drop because we're doing an egg drop for STEAM night. We're trying to see if our egg drops survive.
Firemen are going to take it up the ladder and they're going to drop it off, and we have to see if when it hits the ground it breaks or doesn't.
In one of the classrooms, we're doing glowing fish thing.
I think science is fun because you can do so many experiments, and I like how I'm able to use my creativity.
We hope that tonight everybody gets a glimpse into the different careers, the different things you can do with science, technology, math, art, and just learn that this is an exciting thing that you can do.